Okay, so we've just met Zohair. We've both had breakfast over here now, and we're heading to Lonavala. It is now 11:30. Sun's come out. We have a few friends waiting for us in Lonavala. Fortunately, Zohair's not riding back to Hyderabad today itself. He said he's going to stay over at Lonavala, so we have some time to see Tiger Point. Out of world experiences. So if you just tap it once, that we're off, and then tap it again, we're in. So just one tap. So you tell me when you want to this thing, I'll disconnect and you can continue your vlog. Zohair was a bit concerned about connecting the Bluetooth systems. Fortunately, we were able to connect using the Sena's universal connecting system, and I think I'll be able to guide him on the way. Considering there's going to be a bit of traffic on the way, I think a Bluetooth communication system always helps us stay in touch and give each other directions. So you wanna? I don't think we can go inside, but if you can park somewhere here and get that in the background and click a picture if you want. Cool. Yeah. Cool. One nice guard section is coming up here, just for a few kilometers. Go, you go ahead. Zohair, they are here on the left.
Acha, that's it.
Okay. Come.
Because I remember that road, we came at night, me and Nikhil, so I remember this junction. So we're here.
Finally reached. We are here.
We are no longer friends, abandoned me.
I'm sorry, I completely forgot about you. Okay, so we are at Greenhouse, Kamath. We've got Loli, we've met Roadrunner, and we've also met Sahil, who, if you remember correctly from the live sessions we did in Goa, Sahil Matlani, Bewafa hai. Next upgrade, Loli, this is the next upgrade.
I have no clue, but I'm now with this bike.
You should all know this guy by now.
Hello. Roadrunner 16.
This is Zohair's ER6N. That's his new logo, which he's going to be using. And that's Mufaddal Loli's message to the world. Be positive. Okay, so we're just heading now to Tiger Point or Lions Point, whatever that's called, some point. Zuhair hasn't been there before, so we're going to stop there and click a few pictures if everything goes well. And if Sahil and Loli can put their differences aside and manage not to crash, then everything should be fine. I'll just go fill air in my tire and come back. My rear tire is looking a little less. I'll just go fill air in and then come.
Hopefully you'll know it. That's it.
So I'm a bit concerned now that my rear tire has dropped as much pressure as it did. The guys are saying that nothing's wrong with the tire, that we just inspected it. Seems to be alright now. We're just stopping here to click some pictures now. Strangely enough, I've never clicked any pictures over here as well, and we live in Mumbai, so I guess new experiences every time we come to Lonavala. Have a look at that view. I'm here with Zuhair.
And I'm here with Augie.
And we have Team Gearless with us. Okay, so we're done meeting with Team Gearless now. They're heading back, and we are heading up to Tiger Point to enjoy the curves and enjoy the view. I think he's gonna pop a wheelie or something now. Not sure, but Zuhair does crazy things. You guys heard, I'm just meeting the subscriber here. Subscriber, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, correct. You were on a different bike that time. You had a different bike that time, no? Same one, what? Cool. Come with us, we're going up to Tiger Point. You're heading? Okay, cool, no problem, man. Nice meeting you again. See you. Sahil Matlani.
Bewafa hai. I don't know why I said that about myself, but bewafa hai.
So we're done having lunch here at Tiger Point. Zuhair has booked a hotel here in Lonavala itself, so we're going to help him find that place, and then we'll be on our way. So this is Elegance Resort by Inspire, and it's where Zuhair will be staying for tonight and then heading out tomorrow morning. We are just going to say our goodbyes to him over here, and we are going to head back to Mumbai. Yep, so that's it. That's my day spent with Zuhair Ahmed, and we hope that he goes back with some really awesome memories and comes back at us with some even more awesome videos. I think I'll end the vlog over here. Thank you as always for watching my videos and sharing your comments, your thoughts, and liking it as well. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and as always, at least wear your helmets while riding and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.
Leave your bike in gear.
No, why? Obviously, man, Loli.
Come on,